In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money on the Trading 212 app. Okay, so I am on the home screen here of my Trading 212 app. And basically, to be able to withdraw money, bearing in mind that we actually have money to be able to withdraw, what we're going to need to do is come over to the three lines on the right-hand side at the bottom right of your phone screen. And then you're going to want to go over to Manage Funds. You're then going to want to go ahead and click Withdraw. From here, you're going to want to go ahead and put the password in for your account. I'll just hide mine as I do it. And then basically all you do is pick how much you would like to withdraw. So in my case, I'm going to do £100. Select the payment method you would like to withdraw your money to, and then click confirm withdrawal. And basically from here, Trading 212 says it's going to be 3 business days until you get your money in your account. It all very much depends on your bank account and when you're actually submitting that withdrawal. Sometimes you have to wait 2 or 3 days. Sometimes you get your money instantly. But that is essentially how you can withdraw your money on Trading 212. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.